Now let's move on to MCQ question 37. A scientist studied the length of beaks in a population of birds for a number of generations. The scientist concluded that the length of the beaks was an example of continuous variation. Which information about the length of beaks support this conclusion? Okay, first of all, what is continuous variation? Continuous variation means it refers to a characteristic without discrete phenotypes. Okay, continuous variation includes height, and things like that. Okay, but for this continuous variation, we will have things like eye color, hair color. Okay, basically things that are discrete. Okay, it's either or. Okay, whereas for continuous, it is a range. Okay, this is a range. Okay, so let's move on to the options. Which information about the length of beaks support this conclusion? Okay, A, the beaks were longer in males than in females. This option is definitely wrong. Okay, as nowhere in the text stated that the beaks were longer in the males than in females. And B, the length of the beak depended on the type of seed eaten. Once again, there is no evidence of the type of seed eaten, and talking about the length of beaks, it does not correlate essentially. Okay? C, long beaks were pale in color, short beaks were dark in color. Again, no evidence to support this. And for D, the length of the beaks had a range with no distinct categories. This is the correct answer, as that is the definition itself of continuous variation. Okay, so this is the definition of continuous variation. Okay, so the answer will be option D.